Hare Krishna, welcome to my channel Beginners Linux MS Excel Guide. Today I'm going to talk about another text series function which is called trim. So what is the function of trim first of all? In the Excel, trim function removes all the spaces from a text string except for single spaces between words, effectively cleaning up text by removing leading, trailing and extra spaces within the text. Alright. So now if I use here length function, so I'll get to know what is the exact character used over here and what is the length of it. So equals len, give the cell reference and close. It is showing 8, and if I again do this one here, then reference, so it is showing 9. So if I use trim over here, it will remove all the extra spaces you can see in front and after of the word. It will remove that. So let's do that. Equals trim, hit tab, select the cell reference, close, enter. Same here, equals trim, cell reference, Excel. Now if I count again from this cell what is the length of this word, so len, cell reference, it is coming 5, which is exactly the same. Again len, tab, which is again 5, so which is the correct one, right? So there was extra spaces which was treated by len, and after doing the trimming it has been given the exact word count by length if I do that. So that's all for trim function. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel, like it, share it, comment it, and don't forget to press the bell button so that whenever I post a new video over here, you'll get the notification of it immediately. Thank you so much for being with me till the end of the video with patience. Thank you so much for your love and support. Stick to my channel, new videos are coming into your way. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna, Hari Bol.